Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to continue on our cute little fast food bag journal. So this is our little Halloween journal here, and what I did with you guys last time was the cover and the spine, got everything sewn on, did the inside, did some stamping with some gesso all around, and I will put that video on the end screen so you guys can come check it out and get caught up with us. Now today I want to do a closure, add a pocket. I want to put on my tassel. I want to put a tassel on it. Add signatures and do some stenciling and stuff like that throughout the signatures. Some fun little stencil things that I have here. I'll show you. So I just got these. I was super excited. And you get a set of 16. And they're like fall, just fun fall stencils. And you get all kinds of them, but it'll be in my Amazon links below. I'll make sure to put it down there for you guys. So you get 16 of these bigger ones. And I want to play with the letters here. You get 70 alphabet letters. You get big. You get some numbers all the way through 10. And then you get the small lowercase letters. So you get the smaller too. And you get some like exclamation points and percentage sign, and sign, question mark. So you get all those too. So these are pretty fun to play with. I'm excited to see what I could do with these. So we'll incorporate throughout the signatures and stuff and just add some fun words and some stenciling and see what happens. So let's go ahead and get started here. So I'm going to start off with I'll go ahead and glue down my pocket. And I just went ahead and ripped it out of the same material here. I'm going to use my Fabrifix. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today. And getting out all your spooky Halloween stuff. It's so much fun to play with. I've been going through my fabrics. I got tons of fabrics. My mom, she's a quilter. And she has been my whole life. And so I've learned a lot from her with fabrics and sewing and that whole journey. And she sends me a bunch of stuff that she has because she's got tons. So I have tons now. And I just go through my fabrics and use them just like I would with just like scrapbook paper. And I really love just incorporating fabrics. But you guys could do the exact same thing with paper, you know, with all your fun, fancy little scrapbook papers and stuff. Exact same thing. So it's just kind of fun just to do something a little different. And there we go. So we got a little pocket. Let that dry. Okay. So we got that. And I want to go ahead and I'm just going to add my signature in real quick. I'm going to go through, and I got it all cut to size and everything. And I'm going to go through and just do some sewing throughout, just some interest sewing and stuff around, and yeah, and then we'll go from there, and then I'll add the signature in, and then I'll be back. All right, so I went over and did some sewing on here on all the pages, and you'll see as we go through here. So what I want to do is, before I bind this into the journal, I want to go ahead and take some of my oxides and my daubers and my stencils and do some fun just stenciling, just some cute little pumpkins and different things like that. So let's go ahead and do that. I know I want to incorporate some of the, I have crackling campfire, black soot, and vintage photo. So let's go ahead and let's start off with some crackling campfire here. I like that. Is that fun? Yeah. And this is my coffee dyed paper. And I call it my marbled coffee paper. And it's really cool. I'll put it at the end screen if you guys want to come check out how to do that. It's pretty fun. Okay. So we did that. A little tip here is if you want to take some baby wipes. I had to hunt them down. I found them. Okay, so if you take some baby wipes and just go ahead and you can do it on a piece of parchment paper or deli paper. Just like that, just to wipe them down so you don't get them all stained. And with the oxides, they're pretty easy to wipe off. There you go. And then you get a little imprint. You can faintly see it. So that's kind of fun. So that's just a way to clean off your stencils. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and do the next one. Okay, so I finished it. It is all done. And what I did is I went through and did some stenciling, added in the signatures, then I put in the closure, added in some goodies throughout, and yeah, so let's look through it and see how it turned out. So I've said on before, I think it was on the last video I started making this, my birthday is like 3 days before Halloween, so it's like my favorite ever. I love Halloween. I think it's great. I've always had birthday parties and Halloween parties at the same time growing up. And I would love to hear in the comments if you guys have any birthdays on Halloween or close to, or know anybody that does. I would love to hear in the comments because I think it's so much fun. It's fun to have a Halloween birthday party. And yeah, so I'm kind of curious. So comment down below, please. I'd love to hear. Okay, so this is what I got. I think the cover turned out great. And then there's the back with our stamping. And I think it turned out awesome. And this will be in my Etsy store. So I'll put the link down below for you guys. And I'll go get some great pictures and stuff of it. So yeah, so this is a little shorter than I thought. The tie here. So if you purchase this, it's easy just to go like this. I mean, you could just pop this off just like that, and then you can just tie it and make it longer. Just tie it one, you know, not double it up. But I just kind of doubled it up like that because I think it'd be fun. And then you can always just, you don't have to tie it in a bow. You know, you can do like that and have it grow like that too. So there's a way to undo that, and then you can just tie a knot. So I think it still turned out good. We got the inside here, got our pocket, got our tag, got a little tag. Do some journaling space on that. A little tuck spot. And don't you love how these stencils turned out? Is that not the coolest? Is that fun? I was having so much fun doing this. So I did some sewing around and did some stenciling. I threw in some goodies here. Just some fun little pockets and some things to play with. So this will come all with the journal. And I got some just alphabet stenciling I did with my Rit die. A cute little tag here with a cluster and some lace. Some more stenciling. It's just a fun fall. I just did some fall. I got crackle all over my hands. Like, I've even washed my hands. So I don't know what I'm going to do. If you guys know a tip or trick to get these off, I'm thinking, I wonder if lemon juice or vinegar or I don't know. Let me know below. I would love to know how to get, it's just the oxide, but man, that crackle really get you. Okay, and then this is just a little parchment paper bag that I made. And it's got fun little goodies in here to play with. So those would be fun. And then it's just avocado dyed paper, tea dyed paper, coffee dyed paper. So they're all hand dyed papers throughout. And then stenciling, and then just a fun little owl journal area. Some more stenciling with my Rit dye. And I think that turned out really cool. And this is I made with you guys, it's on, what is that called? Burlap. I couldn't think of it. So it's a burlap piece that I stenciled on the word dream with spackling, because I like to use spackling instead of texture paste. So I did that. Then I ran it through my scanner and copied it off onto a sticker page and stuck this down, sewed around it, and then I stenciled the word scary. So scary dream. I thought that was fun. So that's in there. And then you got the cute little owls. I love owls. And some more leaves. And this is all avocado dyed index card. And some, this reminded me of like haunted houses, but it was just like houses, but it could be like a haunted house. So I think that's fun. More stenciling, some owls. And this is super cool. I did some imaging. I took a magazine, or I photocopied images with my photocopier, and I took some matte medium. It's actually right here. Some matte medium, and it's just the gel. And I have this in my Amazon links down below, but I did that on top of here, and they turned out so, on tea bag, it's a tea bag. It turned out so creepy, and you could see the images. But I'll try to remember to put this link at the end screen, so you guys come check it out. Okay, and it's pretty fun they're pretty fun to do. And then the stencil, I mean, isn't that so much fun? So I'm loving these stencils. These new stencils are definitely a must-have for fall. I love them. Okay, so I'll be playing with these a lot. All right, some more journaling spots. I like to keep a lot of journaling spaces. And this is cool. This is just a fun little autumn little flip. And these open up and spread out like that. And it's also on a brad, so you can undo them if you want. And use them for journaling. I got 3 here too. Just like that. So those are kind of fun. And it's got a cute little pocket here with a stamp sticker in it. Just a little stamp sticker. Okay, so that's just a fun little flip that had a little autumn tree and stuff on it. So that will come with it. Okay. Oh, the button's getting in the way. That's what happened. Or the little brad. There we go. And I love the rose. I think the rose is really cool. It kind of ties in with the roses here that are on with the skull. So I did the rose. And the other part of the bag over here with some goodies to play with. So this is definitely packed full with some ephemera to play with. Okay. And some more stenciling. We've got a little pumpkin patch here. It's just so much fun. And you can still journal over the top. I mean, it's all light enough to do some journaling over the top. And it's just super fun. And I got my last little pumpkin on the end here. Some more fun pages to play with. My pocket, our little pocket that we did. And there's the back of it. So there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. So you could see here, you could tie it in a bow. But once you start packing this full, you might have to untie it and just kind of just make them longer, which it'll be easy. So there, it still ties into a bow. It looks really cute. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.